Happy Wednesday, everyone. This is Christian DeBouche, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, giving you an update on some of the houses that just came to market this morning. First off, we have a beautiful 3 bedroom, 3 bath, 3,302 square foot home here in St. Pete Beach, listed by Exit Bay Realty for $2,775,000. Next up, we have a beautiful 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 2,570 square foot home up in Dunedin, Florida, listed by Coastal Properties Group International for $1,400,000. Next, we have also a beautiful 4 bedroom, 4 bath, 2,270 square foot home up in Reddington Shores, just north of me here in Treasure Island, for $1,350,000, and that one's listed by Dalton Wade Inc. Coming up, we have a new construction home here in St. Petersburg, listed with Coldwell Banker Realty. That's a 3 bedroom, 3 bath, 2,210 square foot, and that's listed for $1,295,000. Also, new construction in St. Petersburg. We have a 3 bedroom, 4 bath, 2,500 square foot property that is up from CWCS Inc. for $1,700,000. Lastly, we have a condo up here again in St. Petersburg, 3 bedroom, 3 bath, 1,685 square foot unit for $1,135,000. This is Christian from Real Broker. If any of these properties are of interest to you, give me a call at 727-303-1521 or any of my socials down below. Thanks.